Hello, everyone. Welcome to Practical English Podcast. I'm Mary's.
And I'm Levent.
Today's episode is a little different and super useful.
Our friend Ada is taking her first ever international flight. And during her trip, she'll have to speak in English at every step, from booking a taxi to boarding the plane.
If you also want to learn how to talk confidently in English at the airport, this journey is the perfect chance.
So sit back, imagine yourself at the airport, and learn real English you can actually use while traveling.
Ready? Let's take off with Ada's first flight. Hello, is this City Ride taxi service?
Yes, ma'am. How can I help you today?
I'd like to book a cab to the international airport, please.
Sure. May I know your pickup location and flight time?
Pick up from Green Valley Apartments, Sector 9. My flight is at 10 p.m.
Got it. I'll schedule your cab for 6:30 p.m. to be safe. Would you like a sedan or an SUV?
Sedan, please. And can I pay online?
Yes. You can pay through the app or directly to the driver.
Okay, great. I'll pay through the app then. Thank you so much for your help.
All right. Once your taxi arrives, you'll get a message with the driver's name and car number. Please check your phone.
Perfect. I'll keep an eye on my phone. Thanks for letting me know.
Good evening, ma'am. Headed to the international terminal, right?
Yes, but, is there a separate entrance for domestic and international flights? It's my first time.
No worries. There's one main entrance. I'll drop you right at gate 3. That's for international departures.
Thanks a lot. Oh, and how long will it take to reach?
Around 45 minutes, depending on traffic. Here we are, ma'am, the international departure gate.
Thank you so much for the ride.
You're welcome. Have a safe flight.
Thanks. It's my first international trip, so I'm a little nervous, but excited too.
Don't worry, everyone's first trip feels like that. Just follow the signs inside, and you'll be fine.
Wow, this airport is huge. Okay, focus, Ada. Check-in counter first. Singapore Airlines. Oh, there, counter 12. Got it. Time to check in.
Good evening, ma'am. May I see your passport and ticket, please?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. Are you checking in any luggage?
Yes. One suitcase.
It's a little overweight. It's 27 kilograms. The limit is 23.
What can I do?
You can either remove some items or pay an extra baggage fee.
Okay, I'll take out a few things. Can I keep this jacket and shoes in my handbag?
Yes, that's fine.
Excuse me, could you please tell me where I can get information about my connecting flight? Of course. You'll find the flight information screen just after the security check. It shows all connecting flights, including yours to Singapore and then Vancouver. Thank you so much. And which way is gate 18 for my current flight? Gate 18. Go straight ahead, then take a left. You'll see the sign above your head. Got it. Thanks again. All right, check-in done. Now, where's the security check? Security check. Oh, there it is. Right after gate 10. Okay, let's go before the line gets too long.
Good evening, ma'am. Please place your laptop and liquids in a separate tray.
Sure. What do you mean by liquids?
Anything that can pour, like water, shampoo, lotion, perfume, or juice.
Oh, I see. I have a small bottle of water and some face cream.
That's fine, but make sure the bottles are under 100 milliliters.
Let me check. Oh, this one is 120 milliliters. Is that okay?
Sorry, ma'am, that's too large. You can throw it away or drink the water before security.
All right, I'll finish it now. Can I keep my lip balm and sanitizer in my handbag?
Yes, that's okay. Just put your sanitizer in the tray for checking.
Got it. And my laptop too, right?
Yes, please take your laptop out of the bag and place it in a separate tray.
Do I need to take out my phone too?
No, you can keep your phone and wallet inside your bag.
Okay, thank you. Oh, and should I take off my jacket?
Yes, please remove your jacket and belt and walk through the scanner when it's your turn. All good. You can collect your belongings now.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a nice flight.
Finally! Got my boarding pass. Gate 18. Boarding at 10 p.m. Perfect. I still have some time. I could grab a quick meal. Maybe a sandwich and coffee? Or why not check out the airport lounge? Could be nice to relax a bit before the flight. Excuse me, how can I access the lounge?
You can enter if you have a premium ticket, or you can pay at the counter.
Oh, I see. I think my ticket is premium. Can you please check it?
Sure. May I see your boarding pass?
Here you go.
Yes, ma'am. Your ticket includes complimentary lounge access. You don't need to pay anything.
Oh, that's great. Thank you. Just out of curiosity, how much does it usually cost?
It's usually $30 for other passengers.
All right, good to know. And do you serve food and drinks here?
Yes, we do. The buffet is over there. You'll find coffee, juice, snacks, and dinner will be served at 8:30.
Wonderful. Thank you so much. This looks amazing. Salad, pasta, and dessert.
Would you like something to drink, ma'am?
Yes, please. Could I have a cup of coffee?
Of course. Sugar and milk?
Just milk, please. Oh, and could I take a small bowl of fruit, too?
Of course. Please help yourself.
Thank you. Everything looks delicious.
Hi, are you flying to Singapore too?
Yes, it's my first international trip, actually.
That's exciting. Don't worry, the airport staff are very helpful.
Thanks. I'm just a bit nervous about finding my connecting gate later.
You'll be fine. Just follow the signs or ask, "Could you help me find my gate?" Easy.
This lounge is perfect. Delicious meal, comfy seat. Exactly what I needed. I'm ready for the flight now. Feeling calm and happy.
Absolutely. Lounge time makes waiting so much nicer.
Passengers traveling on Singapore Airlines Flight SQ407 to Singapore, please proceed to Gate 18. Boarding will begin shortly.
Gate 18. Okay, that's this way.
We are now boarding all passengers for Flight SQ407 to Singapore. Passengers seated in rows 25 to 45 may now board the aircraft through Gate 18.
I'm in seat 32A. That's me.
Good evening, ma'am. May I see your passport and boarding pass, please?
Sure. Here you go.
Thank you. You're in seat 32A, window side. Boarding through the left aisle. Enjoy your flight.
Thanks a lot. Hi, excuse me. Is this the line for seats in the 30s?
Yes, I think so. Mine's 31C. You must be right behind me.
Oh, great, thanks. I always get nervous about boarding for the first time.
No worries. It's easy. Just follow your row number. The crew will help you if you're unsure.
Good evening. Welcome aboard. Can I help you find your seat?
Yes, please. I'm looking for 32A.
Sure, it's right here, by the window. You can place your cabin bag in the overhead bin.
Thank you. Oh, is it okay if I keep my laptop bag under the seat?
Yes, that's fine. Please just make sure it's completely under the seat in front of you.
Got it. Thank you so much. Hi there, I'm Ada. Is this your first time flying to Singapore?
Hi, I'm Daniel. No, I've flown this route a few times. Connecting to another flight?
Yes, to Vancouver. It's my first international trip, actually.
That's exciting. Don't worry, the Singapore airport is super easy to navigate. I can show you where to check your next gate if you like.
That would be great. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard Singapore Airlines Flight SQ407 to Singapore. Please store your luggage properly and fasten your seatbelts. Good evening, ma'am. Would you like something to drink? We have juice, water, or soft drinks.
Oh, thank you. What kind of juice do you have?
We have orange, apple, and cranberry.
I think I'll have water instead.
Sure. Would you like still water or sparkling water?
Still water, please. What's sparkling water?
Sparkling water has bubbles, like soda. Still water is plain, no bubbles.
Ah, I see. I'll stick with still, thank you.
Of course.
Would you like a snack while you wait for dinner? We have nuts, cookies, and fresh fruit.
Oh, that looks nice. Can I try the cookies, please?
Certainly. Here you go.
Thank you. Are the nuts spicy?
No, they're plain roasted. You can try them if you like.
Maybe next time. Cookies are perfect for now. Thanks.
You're welcome. Here's the menu for tonight's meal. We have chicken, pasta, and a vegetarian option.
Thank you. Could you please tell me what the vegetarian option is?
Yes, it's a vegetable curry with rice, served with a side salad and dessert.
Oh, that sounds delicious. I'll have the vegetarian option, please.
Would you like something to drink with your meal? We have juice, water, or wine.
Just still water, please.
Perfect. Here's your tray. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you so much. Everything looks amazing. Wow, we've landed. Now, where do I go for my connecting flight to Vancouver?
No worries, I'll show you. Follow me. The first thing you do is go to the transfer desk to confirm your next gate.
Transfer desk. Is it far from here?
Not really. Just follow the signs that say transfers or connecting flights. You'll see it clearly.
Okay, here it is. Do I need my passport again?
Yes, show your passport and your boarding pass for flight SQ48 to Vancouver. They'll check it and tell you your gate.
Good morning. How may I help you?
Hi, I'm connecting to Vancouver, flight SQ48. Could you please tell me my boarding gate?
Sure. Your gate is F22. Boarding starts in about 40 minutes.
Thank you so much.
See? That's all you need to do. Now you can grab a coffee or relax in the lounge while waiting.
Oh, that sounds perfect. Do I need to stay near the gate?
Yes, it's good to be nearby 15 to 20 minutes before boarding. Well, Ada, this is where I leave you. Your gate is F22, right?
Yes, that's right. Thank you so much for all your help, Daniel. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Finally, Vancouver. What a smooth flight. Okay, where's my suitcase? Come on, come on. Bags always take forever, don't they? Ah, there it is. Finally, all set. Now I can head out and start exploring Vancouver.
Ada, over here.
Anya, finally, I made it. My first international flight is done.
Wow, how was it? Was it stressful?
Honestly, it was amazing. And guess what? I didn't struggle with English at all. I could ask everything I needed politely and clearly.
That's awesome. I'm so proud of you. Did anyone help you along the way?
Yes! My seatmate Daniel helped me a lot in Singapore, and the airport staff and attendants were so friendly. But I spoke most of the English myself.
That's great confidence, Ada. I knew you'd manage perfectly.
Thanks! It feels so good to finally travel and actually use English in real situations.
Come on, let's get your luggage and go. I can't wait to hear all about your journey.
Yes, let's go! I have so many stories to tell.
And that's Ada's journey. From booking a taxi in Delhi, going through security, enjoying the lounge, flying to Singapore, and finally arriving safely in Vancouver.
She used real, practical airport English the whole way, polite, clear, and confident. From asking about liquids and luggage, to ordering drinks and meals, to checking gates and transfers.
Remember, short and simple sentences like, could you tell me where? Could I get? Do I need to?
Exactly. You don't need long, complicated sentences. Simple questions like these make you sound clear, natural, and confident while traveling.
Next time you step into an airport, think like Ada. Relaxed, confident, and ready to handle any English conversation with ease.
If Ada's experience inspired you to improve your English, let us know in the comments and tell us which airport English phrases you found most helpful. We'd love to hear which ones you'll use on your next trip.
And don't forget to subscribe to Practical English Podcast for more real-life English stories and practical tips. See you next time!